sir. Thank you so much for those rich insights, sir. Coming to almost the last part of the session, it is now our privilege to introduce a leader who is behind this entire show, none other than Mr. Rahul Agrawal, Executive Director, GMA, an accomplished engineer with a BE in Mechanical Engineering and BTech in Machine Design from the prestigious IIT Madras. Dr. Rahul Agrawal also holds an MBA from IGNOU. He began his career at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bangalore, and went on to serve in reputed organizations like Bajaj Auto Limited, Shriram Pistons and Rings Limited, and in his last corporate role, he served as Executive Vice President at new businesses across diverse sectors. He is not just a builder of systems, but also of standards, establishing world-class manufacturing practices, has been a certified lead auditor for ISO 9001 and 4501. His contribution as a certified examiner for the Ramakrishna Bajaj National Quality Award based on Malcolm Baldrige model further highlights his commitment to organizational excellence. Please join me in warmly welcoming Mr. Rahul Agrawal. And we now request you, sir, to kindly apprise us about GEM, GMA Entrepreneurship Mission. Over to you.
I know we are getting late for the lunch, but I just want to tell you that last year when we did the convention in our 35th, our chief guest, Mr. Ravi Venkatesh, who is an ex-chairman of Microsoft and founder of GAME, Global Alliance of Mass Entrepreneurship, spoke on entrepreneurship. The very next day morning, I still remember that Mr. I.C. Agrawal and Mr. N.K. Dhand called me over phone to start this initiative of entrepreneurship in Ghaziabad. Immediately, GMA has formed a council consisting 5 members, Mr. I.C. Agrawal, Mr. N.K. Dhand, Ms. Madhuri Mukherjee, Mr. Ankit Gupta, and myself, to discuss the modality on entrepreneurship mission and named the initiative as GEM, Ghaziabad Entrepreneurship Mission. The objective of the initiative was GEM will be a collaborative model in partnership with academic institutions, businesses, corporates, and other advisors and experts under the broader umbrella of GMA. The aim was to own the steer the ecosystem development for entrepreneurship growth. The objective is to identify the train, mentor, and launch 50 young entrepreneurs in Ghaziabad at first go. Entrepreneurship solutions, discovering, introducing, and amplifying innovative models to foster new venture creation. Collaboration with district administration to create a scalable model on youth entrepreneurship for implementation at district level. To start this initiative of GEM, GMA had hired knowledge and executive partner Mr. Praveen Kumar Rajbhar, who is a founder and CEO of Skilling You. The journey was started on 9th of October 2025 from RKGIT. GMA has achieved quite a good milestone since then. So before inviting Mr. Praveen Rajbhar, I would like to explain the journey and way forward. It's my privilege to introduce Mr. Praveen Rajbhar. Change. Mr. Praveen Rajbhar, from a small town in rural Uttar Pradesh to empowering lakhs of youth across Bharat. Praveen Kumar Rajbhar is a name that stands for vision, purpose, and real impact. He is the founder and CEO of Skilling You, one of India's top 100 promising startups recognized by Google and Meta, and awarded Best Startup by Avishkar Foundation at the Sankalp Summit and Startup by Startup India. With over 12 years of experience in training and development, Praveen has worked with leading institutions like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, AU Bank, and Home Credit, shaping professionals and future leaders. As a social entrepreneur, he has been a mission to make students employable, business-ready, and tech-driven. His work has impacted more than 5 lakh rural students across India. Under YBO alone, he has provided free skills courses with 12,000 each to cover 1.5 lakh students, giving them access to new age learning and opportunities. He also founded the training camp, India's largest learning up community with over 1,700 trainers and educators dedicated to improving education quality across the country. Praveen contributes to inspire young minds to become not just job seekers, but job creators. A writer and poet at heart, he believes that true growth happens when we invest in people before machines. I invite Mr. Praveen Rajbhar to come on the dais and explain how we have gone about this initiative only in 3 minutes. Time is very short.
Mohit Gupta has certain urgent commitments and he has to leave the convention at this moment. So it would be our honor to present a token of gratitude memento to Dr. Mohit Gupta, sir. Can we have the memento, please? Thank you so much. First, we would like to welcome Mr. Praveen Rajbhar, sir, with the sapling. I request Rahul, sir, to kindly present a welcome sapling to him. Over to you, sir.
2 मिनट में मैगी बनती है, मुझे 3 मिनट मिला है, 1 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा है मेरे पास. So, can you have the presentation, please? I'll come to the presentation directly. गाज़ियाबाद एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मिशन की हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, बट उससे पहले मैं एक लाइन ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत कम एसोसिएशंस ऐसी हैं जो कुछ ऐसा काम कर रही हैं जो बहुत प्राउडली बोल सकें कि हम केवल बिजनेसमैन नहीं हैं, हम अगले जनरेशन को बिजनेसमैन बना रहे हैं. मेरे ख्याल से पूरे गाज़ियाबाद मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन के लोगों के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली बजनी चाहिए. So, it's not there? Okay. So, presentation नहीं है, इससे मुझे 1 मिनट शायद एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाए सर. सर बात कर रहे थे गाज़ियाबाद मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन का जो इनिशिएटिव है गाज़ियाबाद एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मिशन. राहुल सर जैसे बता रहे थे कि पिछले साल के इसी कन्वेंशन में एक विज़न निकल के आया कि हमें कुछ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में काम करना है, नई जनरेशन को स्टार्टअप और बिजनेस में लेके आना है, उसके लिए शुरुआत हुई. और इस तरीके से गाज़ियाबाद एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मिशन का शुरुआत हुआ, जहाँ पर कि हम लोग नए यूथ को, नए स्टार्टअप्स, ऐसे लोग जो नया स्टार्टअप शुरू कर सके उनको हम बिल्ड करेंगे. और इस जर्नी में जो पूरी जर्नी मैं क्विकली आप लोगों को रन थ्रू करूँगा कि क्या है जर्नी. सबसे पहली चीज़ जो हमने शुरुआत करी दैट वाज अवेयरनेस, क्योंकि जिस तरह से बीच में डॉक्टर राज भी बात कर रहे थे जो वाइस चांसलर थे सर, कि स्टार्टअप एंड ऑल को लेके किस तरह का इनिशिएटिव है इंडिया में. सो वी स्टार्टेड विथ अवेयरनेस सेशन, जहां पर हमने करीब 4000 बच्चों को स्क्रीन किया, 4000 बच्चों तक को अवेयर किया और करीब 12 कॉलेजेस से निकल के. और उन कॉलेजेस के बच्चों में हमने 2 तरह के टेस्ट लिए. पहला टेस्ट था उनका बिजनेस एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, ये चेक करना कि ये बच्चे बिजनेस स्किल्स के लायक हैं या नहीं, ये बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं कि नहीं करना चाहते. और उसके बाद दूसरा जो उनका पैरामीटर था दैट वाज आइडिया. बात इस टॉप 100 में ये नहीं थी कि टॉप 100 बच्चे थे, उसमें सबसे कमाल की बात ये थी कि उसमें से 60% गर्ल स्टूडेंट्स हैं. एंड उससे भी बेहतर बात ये थी कि उसमें से 80% ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनके घरों में कोई बिजनेस नहीं करता. दे आर द फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. So this is how we started the journey. We selected top 100 and मुझे याद है 10 जनवरी को हमने इसका इनॉग्रल प्रोग्राम किया था, जहाँ पर इस प्रोग्राम में गाज़ियाबाद के उस टाइम के सीडीओ जो अभिनव गोपाल जी थे वो इन्वॉल्व थे, हमारे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर सुनील कुमार शर्मा जी थे और पूरी डिग्नेटरीज थी, पूरा गाज़ियाबाद एसोसिएशन के जितने भी टॉप लीडर्स थे, IC अग्रवाल सर, डांट सर, बाकी सभी लोग थे यहाँ पे. और इस तरीके से वी लॉन्च दिस प्रोग्राम. एंड इस प्रोग्राम में सबसे पहली जो चीज़ थी कि अब करना क्या है. अगले 3 महीने से, पिछले लास्ट 3 मंथ से अगर मैं बात करूँ तो हम इन बच्चों को ट्रेन कर रहे हैं. एंड इनकी जो पूरी ट्रेनिंग है दैट इज़ गोइंग मोर देन ऑन 17-18 मॉड्यूल पे हम इनको ट्रेन कर रहे हैं. और वो मॉड्यूल स्टार्ट होता है कि स्टार्टअप का फाउंडर होता कैसा है। आप सभी लोग बिजनेसमैन हैं यहाँ पे, बिजनेसमैन की माइंडसेट बिल्कुल अलग होती है, उसकी जर्नी अलग होती है, उसका स्टाइल अलग होता है। सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम कि हाउ टू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर और कैसे आपको स्टार्टअप में आना है, उससे लेके आइडिया सोचते कैसे हैं, उस आइडिया को मार्केट में कैसे लेके जाते हैं, सेल्स स्किल्स कैसे सोचते हैं, MVP कैसे बनाते हैं और उसकी मार्केटिंग कैसे करते हैं, ग्रांट्स कैसे उठाते हैं बिजनेस में। अभी रिसेंटली जो हमने प्रोग्राम किया था, DIC कमिश्नर ने किया था गाजियाबाद के, कि सरकारी वो कौन सी स्कीमें हैं जिससे आप लाभ लेके अपना बिजनेस को शुरू कर सकते हैं। एंड दिस इज हाउ वी टुक दिस जर्नी फ्रॉम हियर। और आज की डेट में मुझे बताते बहुत प्राउड फील हो रहा है कि इस टाइम पे करीब 40 ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो अपने आइडिया को लेके रेडी हैं मार्केट में लॉन्च करने के लिए। और कमाल की बात यह है कि उसमें से कुछ ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी सेल्स शुरू कर दिया है। आई रिमेंबर देयर इज अ गर्ल कॉल्ड अंशिका सिंह साहब यहाँ पे, इन लोगों ने, मुझे याद है कि होली के टाइम पे बाकायदा गुजिया बना के बेचना शुरू कर दिया था। सो उन बच्चों के लिए काम करना जिसने कभी बिजनेस के बारे में नहीं सुना, जिसने बिजनेस के बारे में नहीं सोचा और आज वो बिजनेस कर रहा है। मेरे ख्याल से किसी भी एसोसिएशन का, इंडिया में बहुत सारे एसोसिएशंस हैं, लेकिन गाजियाबाद मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन का ये काम कि आप केवल बिजनेसमैन नहीं हैं, आप एक नई धारा निकाल रहे हैं जो नए बिजनेसमैन की, अपने आप में बहुत काबिल तारीफ है। एंड थैंक्स टू अग्रवाल सर और धान सर इतने बड़े इनिशिएटिव के लिए। सो गाइज, दिस इज हाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग नाउ। जो सबसे बड़ा जो टाइम है, जो डेमो डे का है इस प्रोग्राम में, जहाँ पर ये सारे बच्चे बुलाए जाएंगे जो अपने बिजनेस आइडियाज़ को प्रेजेंट करेंगे और रिस्पेक्टिव आप जैसे बहुत सारे बिजनेसमैन वहाँ पे होंगे जो इनके आइडिया को सुनेंगे, जज करेंगे, उनको बेहतर और उनको फीडबैक देंगे जिससे वो आगे लेके जा सकें। एंड वी आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग कि कुछ ऐसे बिजनेसमैन आएँ जो इस बिजनेस में पैसा भी लगाएं, उनको आगे लेके जाएं, उनको ग्रांट्स दें, जिस तरीके से हम गाजियाबाद में एक नई खेप शुरू कर सकें, एक नया ट्रेंड शुरू कर सकें कि इस देश को अब स्टार्टअप का देश बनाना है, जॉब सीकर्स का नहीं, जॉब क्रिएटर का देश बनाना है। एंड थैंक्स टू GMA फॉर दैट थिंग। एंड आज उसी में से कुछ बच्चे हम लोग यहाँ पर लेके आए हैं जिनको कुछ सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाएगा। देर आर 40+ स्टूडेंट्स वेटिंग, बट उसमें से कुछ टॉप 10 बच्चे यहाँ पे हैं। दे आर गोइंग टू गेट देयर सर्टिफिकेट टुडे। सो कैन आई हैव द नेम प्लीज?
Ceremony. So first we are honoring the students for the Ghaziabad Entrepreneurship Mission. So students quickly come on the dais, please. Prateek Singh, Sarthak Garg, Khushi, Amritansh Kumar Pandey, please quickly come together. Pragati Singh, Anshika Singh, Kanika Sharma, Kirti Suryavanshi, Lakshmi Verma, and Yash Arora. We request our dignitaries to kindly join us on the dais. We request IC Agrawal sir to kindly join us on the dais, sir. So, right now you just hold the certificate. It might not be of long.
एक बार ग्रुप फोटो कर लेंगे।
So, you pass it now for the picture. बाद में आप अपना change कर लेगा. For these young achievers, I know we are coming to the fag end of the day, but your applause would really motivate them to continue striving. Yeah, you can all join us for a group photograph. We'll be having the certificates for contribution in a case study on gender diversity in Ghaziabad. I request the winners to kindly assemble near the dais so that we can save some time. The AKGIM team, Dr. Sarju Pandita, Disha Verma, Yaman Rajput, Sumati Johan, Shashank Naruka, Dikshit Sharma, Dakshan Singh. Please quickly join near the dais, please. And also from GL Bajaj Institute of Management, Dr. Yagbala Gupta, Dr. Divya Singh, Professor Ravi Kishore Ranjan, and Samrat Saurav. AKGIM team. So next up we are having the winners of the case study contribution on gender diversity. Can we have a round of applause from the team from Ajay Kumar Garg Institute of Management? Kindly join us on the dais, please. I repeat, Dr. Sarju Pandita, Disha Verma, Yaman Rajput, Sumati Shashank, Dikshit Sharma, and Dakshan Singh. And the team from GL Bajaj Institute of Management, Dr. Yagbala Gupta, Dr. Divya Singh, Professor Ravi Kishore, and Samrat Saurav. Yeah, please join us on the dais, please. Yeah. felicitating the winners of Chanakya prizes. The first prize is again backed by the team from AKGIM. I request Professor Neeta Sahu and Professor Rahul Singhal to kindly come near the dais. Yeah, they are coming. Congratulations to all the winners for Chanakya prizes. The simulation. So Professor Neeta Sahu and Professor Rahul Singhal from Ajay Kumar Garg Institute of Management. The first runner-up prize, the winning team from Ajay Kumar Garg Institute of Management, and the first runner-up prize goes to Vaika, the team from Vaika, Mr. Dhananjay Kumar, Harpreet Singh, Mohit Sirohi, and Prince Saini. The team from Vaika, the first runner-up prize. Request you to please join us on the dais. And the second runner-up prize is from the team from Shriram Pistons and Rings Limited, Avkash Kumar, Puneet Kumar. Please join us on the dais, please. Can we have a round of applause for all these winners? Yeah, please join us on the dais. This is the team from. Yeah, please join us on the dais. The second runner-up prize goes to the team from Shriram Pistons and Rings Limited. We request you to kindly join us on the dais, please. This is the second runner-up prize for Chanakya simulation. Next up, we'll be felicitating the winners of Best Practices in Process of Improvement for Sustainability. For Best Practices in Process of Improvement for Sustainability, the first prize goes to the team from GPP, Mr. Kamal Mathur, Pratik Tyagi, and Ritik. Kindly join us near the dais. Mathur, Pratik Tyagi, and Ritik, are they here with us? Followed by the first runner-up prize from SPRL, Mr. Satpal Gupta, Mr. Arun Kumar, and Mr. Ashish Tyagi. So sir has joined us from GPP, the winner of the first prize. The first runner-up from SPRL? Yes. Right. The first runner-up prize from Shriram Pistons and Rings Limited. अतुल नहीं, सतपाल गुप्ता, and the second runner-up prize is from again Vaika, Mr. Atul Chaudhary, Mukesh Kumar, and Himanshu Sharma. Kindly join us near the dais, please. Atul Chaudhary, Mukesh Kumar, and Himanshu Sharma. Congratulations to all the winners. So once again, the first prize goes to the team from GPP. So we put on record our deepest gratitude to our sponsors, because without their support, this event would not have been possible. So it is our privilege to felicitate our sponsors. Gold sponsors, AKGIM. So we already have Pandey sir from AKGIM. The faculty members from AKGIM can also join. This is your moment. Gold sponsors, AKGIM, followed by Shriram Pistons and Rings Limited. Please be a little fast. AKGIM team, gold sponsors. SPRL, gold sponsors, please line up near the dais. Somebody to receive the memento from SPRL. Followed by gold sponsors IMS Ghaziabad, IMS group of institutions. SPRL team, are you there with us? Please quickly join us near the dais, please. Gold sponsors, SPRL, followed by IMS group of, the team from IMS can also join us on the dais, please. Followed by IMT. Thank you for sponsoring the event. Gold sponsors, IMS group of institutions.
Next is silver sponsor RKGIT. RKGIT team, please come up. RKGIT silver sponsor.
IMT.
Okay.
Okay, all right. We are moving up with the silver sponsors.
ये किट के बाद सिल्वर के बाद किट ये
RKGIT, team from RKGIT, followed by Dabur India. Ghaziabad Precision Products, please assemble near the dais. RKGIT. Silver sponsors, GPP. Identification. Silver sponsors, APK identification, followed by MGTL, Kite deemed to be university, and Good Luck Steel. The team from APK MGTL. Somebody to accept the memento from Kite, followed by Good Luck Steel. And next up we'll be having the kit sponsors. Are we having somebody from Good Luck Steel? So we are moving on to Good Luck Steel. Good Luck Steel, kindly quickly join us near the dais. Okay, so we are moving on to the kit sponsors, Diagnostic Automation and Control Engineering, IPEM, and Tata Steel Limited. Kindly join us near the dais. Diagnostic, ma'am is receiving the memento on behalf of Diagnostic Automation and Controls Private Limited. Yeah. Followed by Utsa Engineering. Utsa Engineering. IPEM and Tata Steel Limited.
Utsaah Engineering for the first time. Please give a 3 cheers. Utsaah, kuch come.
Utsaah Engineering kit sponsor. किसी और ने उत्साह रास्ता दिखा दिया मैम आपके मोमेंटो को लेने के लिए. So we can exchange it subsequently. Thank you. IP.
Steel first time is sponsoring to GMA. Can I have a round of applause please for Tata Steel?
IPM, are we having anybody from IPM for collecting the memento? Leave it. Company, they have contributed in advertisements. Okay, Vaika, the team from Vaika.
GMA wants to give 2 more awards. One is our comparing Dr. Parul Agrawal. Please give her a big hand. The lone soldier of GMA, Mr. Anand Agrawal, Mr. Anand Kumar. Where is Anand?
And the last memento, Session Chair, CA Dr. Rakesh Charya ji, sir, kindly join us on the dais, please. The event wouldn't have been possible without your blessings, without your guidance. Thank you once again, sir, for being with us. Now I request Mr. Rahul Agrawal, Executive Director GMA, to kindly propose the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Which I have to do. Proposing the vote of thanks. After that, lunch will be served. Respected Dr. CA Dr. Rakesh Charya ji, Session Chair, GC member, our founder member, Mr. IC Agrawal ji, President Dr. TR Pandey, Senior Vice President GMA, Mr. Umang Gupta. Where is Umang Gupta? Our Honorary Secretary, Mr. Shailen Singh, Honorary Treasurer CA Dr. Rajesh Agrawal, all GC EC members, and all those present here. Thank you all. It is both an honor and a privilege for me to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of organizing committee of the conclusion of this inspiring and forward-looking 36th GMA convention. The convention theme, Century of Change, Leadership and Resilience in an Uncertain and Disruptive World Order, was more than just a topic, it's a call to action. And today we have collectively taken the meaningful steps towards that future to address the uncertain and disruptive world order. Through thought-provoking speeches by our chief guest, Dr. Rajesh Sinha, Mr. Arun Lal, dynamic discussion and rich exchange of ideas, we have reflected on the challenges and more importantly the opportunities that lie ahead in the century of change. First and foremost, on behalf of GMA, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to both the chief guests, who has come from Pune all the way and distinguished guests of Arun Lal. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Dr. Mohit Gupta, a distinguished speaker on the topic of century of change, design your destiny. I hope we all have learned how to design our destiny. GMA was in touch with Dr. Mohit Gupta since last 1 year, and finally he could come over this year to deliver the motivational speech. I thank all guest speakers whose words have not only enlightened us but also energized us with the vision of progressive, inclusive and innovation-driven India. You have helped bridge the gap between ideas, implementation, and for that we are truly grateful. To all our delegates, industry leaders, academicians and students, thank you for all your participation. Your presence has added great value to this convention, and your enthusiasm gives us hope that a future we envision is indeed within reach in spite of future geopolitical and economic disruption. I think food is being served and people are going for the plates. Just give me 2 minutes more. A sincere thanks to our gold sponsors, silver sponsor and kit sponsor and partners whose support has been instrumental in making this event a reality. I congratulate and thank all the awardees of various competitions conducted by the GMA during the year. I would also like to mention our contribution by GL Bajaj and AKGIM team for conducting the research on gender diversity. To the organizing committee and volunteers, your tireless effort behind the scene made everything run very smoothly, and for that you deserve your deepest appreciation. And of course, you the delegates and the audience, I think this time till this session, our hall was full, and just to tell you that we have registered 310 delegates. It's I think record-breaking thing for GMA. Need special mention because without you all, there could not have been any convention. I hope that you would have found the convention fruitful. I am seriously indebted to you all for your presence, which has been very motivating. My special thanks to event manager, Mr. Siddharth Srivastav, who is on the phone. Mr. Siddharth Srivastav and Mr. Pandey of event manager, and Mr. Ashok Atrish, who have worked tirelessly to make all slides, printed material and souvenir. Parul Agrawal, Dr. Parul Agrawal for comparing the event. Cannot miss thanking Mr. Anand Kumar, Assistant in GMA Secretariat, a single-man army, for standing steadfast at all the hours, however odd, and working for a smooth conduct of the convention in and out of the office. In the end, I wish to thank the management and staff of the hotel. Finally, let's carry the spirit of this convention forward, not just in word, but in our actions. Let us embrace the change, foster innovation, and work towards a future where India stands strong, not just economically, but socially, ethically, and environmentally. I want to announce one more thing, that we are going to have a research for 2026-27. The topic is Intelligent Enterprises, Data, Decision, and Digital Transformation. So I want that members should join us. They must participate and they must tell us who are willing to join this research. Thank you once again, and I wish you all continued success and purpose in your journey ahead. Please go ahead for lunch.
Hello. Friends, before we go for lunch, let's give him a standing ovation. He is the man behind success of this program. Standing ovation. Namaskar.
It is not one-man army. I have a full support of all my EC members.
General of the army.